Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to search server on Discord mobile. First of all, we have to open browser on mobile, and now you have to search for Discord login keyword. It will take you to the login page directly. Just tap on this Discord website, and here you have to tap on this open Discord. First of all, it will take you to the login page where you have to log in with your username and password. And now if you want to search server or find server, you have to tap on this explorer option, and here you have to search for the server that you want to find. You can enter anything, like if I want to search for Valorant, we can see that our server has been found and it will be by this mark, so it is verified. So yeah, and you can join it if you want. Just tap on it. I already joined this server. So if you want to join it, you will find the join server option. Just join it by tapping on that button. Yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.